Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset to default settings. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Resetting the Adobe Premiere Pro to its default settings can help resolve issues or provide a fresh start. So there are a couple of ways to do it. Number one option is going to be going to the Windows on the top corner. If you click that and go to the workspaces, there is an option here that says reset to save layout, which is going to be pressing the Alt plus Shift plus 0. If you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded to the section that it had reset this work layout to its default. All right, if you want to undo that, let's undo it. That's one way. Now, another option is going to be you have to close the Adobe Premiere Pro and then try to relaunch it. I'm going to exit this. And try to open it. All right. Now I want you to open the Premiere Pro and press the Alt keys while it's opening. Here, I'm gonna press the Alt key. What will happen is there's gonna be a small dialog box here that would appear as if you want to reset your preferences. All right. If you do that, what will happen is if you click on OK, everything will be back to its original default settings. All right, you see, everything is anew. You can now create, edit, and export a lot of things, and you went back to the default settings, which is if you wanted to start from fresh. All right. Because most of the time, resetting might help if Premiere Pro fails to launch or gets stuck during startup. Frequent crashes or unresponsiveness can often be fixed by resetting the preferences. And now you can open the project or a new project if you want. And from here, as you can see, if you have made changes to settings, preferences, or shortcuts that I don't know how to undo, if you're just new here in Adobe Premiere Pro, I highly suggest you reset that. Returning to the old workspace to its default state can improve the workflow consistency. And again, if you do that, go again to the Windows workspaces and click the reset to save layout. All right, so these are going to be the default, as the reset removes customizations, lingering project settings, making it easier to start fresh. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.